Ay, for today's video,
sige, okay lang. May tubig nga daw dito sa ganyan, no? May tubig pa rin? Hindi ko alam, basta wala pa daw, hindi pa siya, ano pa yun.
Yes, kabayan. Come.
Pero hindi siya kabayan.
All Philippine come here, take a...
Talaga sa
output gani. Muda cream.
Vlogger Dad Carl, enjoy watching. Vlogger Dad Carl, enjoy watching. Spread the love around the whole wide world. You're part of the team, yeah, you're part of the flow. Watch the video start and watch the spirit grow.
Welcome back, Vlogadag. For today's video, we are here back again at Muscat City Center to have our dinner here at Jollibee for today's video. Enjoy watching, guys, and now let's get back to the video. Hi, Dai. Thank you. Welcome back to my
Hi,
channel.
Day. How are
Welcome,
you?
Vlogadag.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to me. Mr. Shopper. Yung
Sino?
magkaiba ng upuan. Mr. Shopper. Na para ba?
Same lang order natin, Dai.
Ano yung in-order natin dati? Afternoon. Ano yung in-order natin before?
Ito yung bear. Ito yata.
Okay.
Bakit?
Wala na siyang peach mango pie. Ito ba yun?
Feeling ko. Hindi yan.
Hindi ba yun? Yung stock million.
Hindi yung stock meal bean.
Wala
Ito
ba?
yun. Ito.
Ayun, ito.
Tapos nag-ano lang tayo ng rice.
Kailan ang best?
Ano po yung 3.4 po yun?
Oo,
7 real. Pero hindi po kami makaka-discount po dyan.
Okay lang. Tapos may additional lang dalawang rice.
That's 2 extra rice. Yes,
For dining po ba?
No,
Ay,
regular.
hindi, regular.
For ano po, lahat dining po.
Yeah. Yes, babe.
Ano po yung drinks niyo po?
Pineapple.
Pineapple juice.
Additional po tayo for the price.
Sure. Magkano po ang lahat?
Parang 8 lang yan eh.
Ito
Ay,
yung 600 pesos.
sabi ko na eh.
Ayaw mo.
Sinubrahan pa ng sa
Kasama
eh.
ka ba?
Walang sahod eh.
May sugar dadala. At saka, eme.
Salam na, Belle.
Nagbablog siya. Baka i-subscribe mo siya. Napakataas. Dito tayo sa mataas. Maganda din kasi yung sa vlog. Parang ang bilis ngayon, Be.
Yes po.
Naka-ready na po.
Thank you po.
Ay, ang tsaka ko.
Salamat pa kayo, guys.
Gusto mo ba ako mang libre ngayon? For today's video, gumano sabi para sa ano ko pang ano. Ay, parang ang laki ng ano niya. Dapat ganun lang.
So, nakikita niyo ba yan? So, syempre busog na naman tayo. Pagdating natin, tutulog na lang tayo ng agad.
So we have chicken and spaghetti. Our favorite.
Be, click mo nga ng ganito. Susubo lang ako. Yan.
Asan?
Yan. Click mo. Click go. All my favorite mga bell. Bronze TV.
Parang ang sarap sa'yo.
sobrang sarap sa place. Ano ba? Ano?
Parang ang laki sa'yo. Diba?
Mas malaki pa lang.
Hindi, yung ano mo, oh, may legs pa. Dapat legs na din ilagay sa akin. Kaya pala, ano siya. Para mapili talaga ang chicken joy. Hello, where's Baba? Not coming? Long time?
Ano?
First week, no coming? Ah, maybe go.
No, after out. No, outside.
Inumin ang pakit natin. Anong oras outlook mo pa?
Oo lang, 5. Sakto ako nag-out.
Sige, ako naman mag-listen.
Ah, ano? Ano ito ba?
Gusto mo mag-shopping?
Okay lang naman, if you insist. Kamusta na sa atin? Basta ka na ka ba
Masarap
may
yung sinigang nila na sa salmon.
natikman ko na yun, parang hindi naman talak na.
Hindi mo talaga. Mula luar.
Hindi ba bulalo?
Ha?
Sige, okay lang. May tubig nga daw dito sa ganyan, no?
May tubig pa rin?
Hindi ko alam, basta wala pa daw, hindi pa siya, ano. So, ang macro yung labas niya.
This one making something.
It's very nice,
Yeah,
I
this
swear.
natural original, not infected.
Yeah.
It's healthy like.
Day, okay na yan sa'yo?
Oo.
So, paano to? Nasaan siya?
Ayan, perfect na sa'yo.
Perfected. Maybe you put like
Do like this, because so you will see the baby.
like this,
Yeah.
Yeah.
showing that. Yeah. As this is there.
Business
No, very
minded.
basic.
Sure lang.
Some molded
Eat
there.
too much for me, ha?
What?
Because I always come here.
What flavor you want?
Pistachio.
Pistachio.
And vanilla.
This is what?
Chocolate.
This one.
Strawberry.
Strawberry and
This melon.
Ay, walang pistachio.
Yeah, inside I have like
Okay.
Okay.
4 flavor. No problem?
5 I believe.
Okay.
You want old mix?
Yeah, mix.
Ay, sige na yung mix na lang lahat.
Mix for me also.
Mix all so that we can try which one is better.
Okay, you also order?
Yeah.
This is heavy.
Yeah,
Oh my God, it's so heavy.
2 kilo 500 gram.
Oh my God. And you always do like this.
Yeah. Too much heavy.
No problem, too much salary also.
Cost you money.
Yeah.
Nice.
Baka mahulog. It's okay, no? I'm shy.
No problem. Bye bye.
Give me more, ah.
Ice cream. I give you more.
No, because every time I come here, look at buying.
See, 5 flavor. Thank you.
Ah, thank you, my friend.
Ice cream.
Maybe ano, it's coming down.
Oh my God, mga baby.
You also do 5 flavor, yes?
Yeah. No need joke for me.
Cola?
Yeah, because
you
they finished already.
before. Yeah, my video before.
Yeah.
It's like too much views now.
How many do you give?
I think 1 million.
Million you don't want?
Oh, no, I won.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have TikTok.
I know, I have Facebook. Like that.
Where is get you?
Ah, I like it.
Yeah.
Wala ng barda ba? Di ba masarap?
Masarap.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ice cream.
Thank you.
Right. You get too much views?
Yeah.
Most people like maybe.
Yeah. Mga this is instant purpose. Sila mo nagbabay.
Yes, kabayan. Come.
Pero hindi siya kabayan.
All Philippine come here. Take it.
Say hi to
Halimbawa, nag-start ka dito. May discount ka na. Tapos ang tayo.
Come buy ice cream here, city center.
Sobrang sarap talaga sa
I'll put the name. Muda cream. So this is melon.
Yeah.
This is chocolate. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like to see more of my videos, please hit the like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.